In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Gumroad with ConvertKit using Zapier in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Connecting Gumroad with ConvertKit allows buyers to automatically enter your email marketing funnel after making a purchase. This is useful for automating welcome emails, product sequences, customer onboarding, and follow-up campaigns. Now, if you want to integrate Gumroad with ConvertKit using Zapier, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to your account settings and open the Advanced or API section. After that, generate or copy your Gumroad API key because you will need it to connect your account with automation tools. Then, open Zapier and create a new automation workflow. Now, choose Gumroad as the trigger application. After that, select a trigger event such as new sale or new purchase. Then, connect your Gumroad account using your API key or access token. Next, search for Kit, which is the updated name for ConvertKit. After that, choose the action you want to perform inside Kit. For example, you can add a subscriber to a form, apply a tag, or subscribe customers to an email sequence automatically. Then, connect your Kit account and select the form, tag, or automation where buyers should be added. After that, map the customer fields such as email address, first name, product name, or purchase information. Now, test the automation to confirm the buyer data transfers correctly between Gumroad and Kit. Once the test works properly, publish or enable the automation workflow. Usually, integration issues happen because of invalid API keys, incorrect field mapping, or missing permissions inside Zapier or Kit. So carefully review your settings before activating the workflow. That's it. By connecting Gumroad with Kit through Zapier properly, you can automate your email marketing and instantly add buyers into your sales funnel successfully.